Thank you, Baba. Well, you will excuse me because I did not know who is here, who is not here. So I won't call even a single name. I'll just say, hi, everyone. Tokyo. Funa ngikhuluma inkinga zakho. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you, my brother, my lawyer. I don't have one lawyer, of course. I've got quite a few. I'm still going to have more. But I'm still going to cause trouble more. But thank you very much, Director of the program. Okwami bekuzoba nje khona la just ngilalela ukuthi lensizwa ibhale kuba ngizwe kuthiwa ibhale incwadi. Mina kangikwazi ukubhala. Angikwazi nokufunda. Angazi lutho nje. Yinto nje kaNkulunkulu. My good. Wonderful. Well, the reason why I came really was to be at this point where a book is being presented to the country, and I'm sure it will be read throughout the world. And I thought it is important to come and hear what is it that has been written by people who have gone through some experiences of dealing with people who are said to be prisoners or whatever in relation to that. Partly because I believe South Africa has a history of its own, not very much like many, for very serious reasons. We are the only country that started freedom fighting and was at the end of completing that process. We live in a country which has very unusual kind of behavior. But also tell a lot of stories in different ways. Very innocent people who have gone to prison, served many years, having committed no crime, except to say we want to be free in our country. Some died. Some stayed in prison for decades, like our leaders who were our best leaders ever. Best gentlemen, if you wanted to. Lover of humanity. They had to stay in prison for many, many years. And it still continues, by the way. Perhaps in a more modern way. So I thought I should. Ngizoceba wena ukuthi wenzani emnceleni naseSwazini naseSouth Africa. Don't talk. Don't look at me. Akusekho nengane nje ngifuna ukuphuza amanzi madoda ngimdala ngengaka. Yeheni webabo. Hawu. Awuboni ke ngikuzwile uhlabela kamnandi ukuthi you are the right person. Ikhehla leli. Phuza kancane. Tokyo nations in South Africa. What a wonderful thing. It was only related to peace. Let us bring peace, understanding, working together, being together in our country. And I think it was a very wise thing from wise people, our leaders in particular. Sengimdala ntombazana sengoma njalo nje. Ngikhathazeki. Angiguli. I'm fresh. But what I think we did not realize was that freedom can have different shades and whatever. I did not know at the time that we'll come to a point where we would not be able to reach the final end. We ended up standing somewhere before finishing everything. That is what has caused the problem today. One of the issues is the economy, because the economy of the country remained not equal. The life remained not equal. And therefore, ended up during our freedom becoming prisoners. And that's why I've got lawyers. Got one here, got one here. My lawyers, they are many. Because I think I'm more of a wrongdoer. So, in the process of this, I think things moved away from where we thought we were moving. And it is a fact. Painful to us who lost our comrades, who had people staying in prison, our leaders. Babanjwa. Hey, wabanjwa. Ehamba nama comrade, manje 2 or 3. Babanjwa amaphoyisa. Lo muntu omnyama lo muntu omhlophe njalo. Ku driver nomlungu. Angithi lo uphethe isikhwama, ufake intembi lapha ka isikhwameni. Uthi kulaba hamba nabo ngeke ngiboshwe mina ngiyaganga nina ngiyamshaya manje lo mlungu. Uphethe into lapha angisazi ukuthi igama layo yini yaziwa yena. Bathi lapha mshaya. He actually took out something, cishe ngayibiza ngegama. Ngifuna ukwenza isigebengu. Ilokhuzana uyashayisa lapho uvula umnyango. Wayilahla into iyaqhuma lento wayithi. Uyabona umlungu wayibona wathi ngeke ngisho ukuthi kwenzekani. Wabaleka wabuyela eSwazini lo engaboshwanga. Ngikhipha imfihlo zakho ngoba usabaleka kumina wena ngisakwazi nokuhlala lapha. Bengithi usuhlala eNgland kanti usahlala la. Good people, sorry, I'm sorry that I'm going to leave now, but thank you very much for coming in this number. For me, this says we are going to do something about ourselves and about our country. there is no equality in our country. Those who were suffering in the past, some are suffering more than they did before. And we can't say what we did, even fighting for freedom, we have made it better. Only better to the few, not we, the majority. We still have a role to play. Let us read the book and think back and try to be what we are supposed to be. We have a capacity to do so as South Africans. I know we are all wonderful and will remain wonderful. And I'm thanking you, my brother, to be brave and tell the story. I heard Tokyo, you made a contribution here. Funa ukuyifunda indawo yakho ngibona ukuthi usele yanto wawiyo noma usushintshile mfana ngoba nibe nihambe nishintshe. Bakwethu ngiyaxolisa kunomsindo ovele bengizele nje ukuzobona abafowethu nodadewethu nama-comrade nonke. Mina ngoqhubeka nje ngenze ezinye izinto nginethuse nangelinye la ngisazonethusa futhi ningacabanga ukuthi ngisele thusa lokwangempela impela. Niyangizwa my babo, siyabonga bandla, siyabonga.